How to delete Google account on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. The Gmail app allows users to access and manage their Gmail accounts, including sending, receiving, and organizing emails. The app also offers options for customizing settings, managing multiple accounts, and utilizing smart features like Smart Compose. On this page, you can view all your emails on Google. Go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Scroll down to the end and tap on Manage Accounts on this device. Here, tap on Remove from this device under the account you want to delete. Tap on Remove again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete Google account on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.